Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So we are on the track 4, on the step 4. So here we have to install the MySQL as the secure installation. Then we have to create the database and the tables to just testing perspective whether the MySQL is working fine or not. Then we have to provide the required privilege to the root user, because while calling the MySQL on the Apache home page, we have to define the MySQL username as well as the password, right? So let me install the MySQL as a secure installation. So you just need to run the command mysql underscore secure the installation. Then as we don't have any password, you just need to enter. Then it is asking for the password. I'm defining the password as abc at the rate of 123. Then you just need to enter. That's it. Okay, so you can see the MySQL is installed as a secure installation. So while connecting the MySQL, now we have to define the username and the password. So here I'm just creating the table and the databases to the testing whether the MySQL is working fine or not, right? Only the last two commands, like whatever the privilege I'm giving to the root user to connect the databases, that is only required for this demo. Okay, so let me connect the MySQL. So MySQL hyphen u, then username would be root. So hyphen u, then root, then hyphen p. Then it will ask the password. The password is abc at the rate of 123. Let me copy all the commands from this Excel file. Then let me copy it. Then I have to paste here. Okay, so I did copy again. So let me paste here. You can see the DB tables, and also I able to insert the data also inside my table, and also I able to read the data from my table. Also I provided the privilege to the root user, so that while connecting the MySQL, so it will be connect. Okay,